Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a killer whale. So let's get started. To draw this cute orca, let's first start by drawing the eye. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And since I'm drawing kind of big, I'm going to try to make it a draw so cute eye. So it's going to be a little bit different because the orca is facing, and we're looking at the side of the orca. So I'm going to come right here at the bottom and I'm going to curve slightly upwards. And then put in the lines right here as usual. And then just give it a small highlight and then maybe a bigger one up here. And then shade everything else in. If you're drawing kind of small, just put in one highlight and then just shade everything else in. But this way I get to put some color in the eye and hopefully it looks okay. Okay, so now that we have the eye in, we need to start to draw the body. So the trickiest part is the snout area. So let's come to the center of your eye. So the circle that you've drawn, find the center and we're going to go out. So just kind of imagining this big oval around your orca. So I'm gonna go out, give us some space. So I'm just gonna say about right here. So hopefully you're using a pencil at home so you can make any adjustments you need. But we're going to stay about right there. And then from there, we're going to go up over here. So this is going to be a slight hump. About right here, this curve. And then on this bottom part, we're going to come down for this little mouth area. So we're just kind of drawing it at an angle, but with two little bumps. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to round this part off like a dolphin almost, right? And then we're going to, let's see, let's just bring it in a little bit under the eye, right there. And then we're just going to continue this curve under the eye. And we're just going to stop right there. So hopefully that helps you gauge where you're going to go with this curve right here. Then from there, let's go up right here. We're going to build this part nice and high to about right there. So nice and high right here, and then this is closer to the eye. Then from there, let's come back into this area right here. Let's come in, and then about right here, just going to give a little bit of a curve for the bottom, the mouth area, and then we're going to bring it in slightly and then straighten out there. Okay, so then from there, let's see here, let's work on this big hump that we're drawing. So I'm going to curve the killer whale to make it a little bit cuter, and so let's keep going with our curve nice and high, and let's go ahead and just build the shape. So we're going to go up. And let's say about right there, I'm going to start to bring it down. So excuse my sketchy lines, just want to make sure I have it correct. Oh, my Sharpie. It is a little bit colder, so Sharpie is kind of dry. But you just want it nice and high and then bring it down. And then let's go over here to past the eye. Let's pass the eye and we're going to start to slope down. And then this part. So as we slope down, let's work on the fin, the pectoral fins. So let's come out to say about right here, past the eye, and then right about here, we're going to start the fin. So let's come out right there, and we're going to go down nice and big. So we're going to pass this and then bring it in. And then now that we have that, we can go ahead and just kind of finish this area right here. So we're just going to kind of just bring it in to tuck underneath our fin. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's finish off this fin right here. So we're going to bring it in. And let's come back over here. It's easier for my hand. I'll say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve to connect. Just round off the tip. There. And then there's going to be a back one, so say about right here. Same thing, just bring it down and then round it off. Okay, so hopefully it's starting to look like a killer whale here, or orca. So let's bring this down. And let's continue this curve. So just imagine it coming through. So about right here, and we're just going to get thinner so that we can start the tail. So bring this in, bring this in to about right there. Then from there, let's go ahead and work on the tail. So I'm going to come out. So this is our center right here. So come out to about right there. And being our center, let's say about right here. I'm going to give it a little bit of a curve. Not sure that's curved down. And same thing over here. I'm going to go out and connect. There. Okay, so hopefully I helped you with that. I know this part is just the trickiest part for me, but hopefully I was able to help you. And then now that we have that, let's continue this curve. Just imagine it coming through and say about right here. We're going to come down, and then in this area we're going to draw a little side patch. So we're going to come out and then just draw this little shape right here, and then continue, curve it down to the tail right there. There. So we just want to come out right in here to give us some white patch right there on the body. And then from there, let's see here, let's draw the eye patch. So around your eye, you're just going to draw this ovalish shape. So this is very distinct for every killer whale, I believe. So it's all up to you. I'm just going to draw this kind of ovalish shape right there. And then the dorsal fin, of course, I almost forgot. So on the top right here, about in this area, let's go ahead and we're going to go up nice and high. So go up, curve, and then about right here, round it off, give it a little bit of a curve, and then come down. There, and hopefully I've helped you draw a killer whale today. And let's see if I'm missing anything. That is pretty much it, except of course I'm going to add a little heart right here. So they're all done. I really hope I helped you draw this killer whale fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.